Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming prerequisites. Make sure your iPad runs a modern iPad OS release and the GIF is saved to Photos. Next, open Shortcuts or a trusted GIF-to-Live photo app. This converts frames into a live photo format the system accepts. Tap the GIF, run the shortcut or app conversion, and save the result to Photos. Once done, locate the new live photo in your library so you can immediately use it as a wallpaper without extra downloads. Now you perform the conversion. Open the GIF in Shortcuts or the Converter app, choose desired frame quality and looping options, and run the action to create a live photo. Wait for the export to finish, and then save the new live photo back to Photos. Make sure you preview it in Photos. Tap Live to confirm animation. If needed, use Edit to set the key photo or trim duration so the motion looks smooth as a short, repeatable clip when used as a lock screen wallpaper. Finally, set the live photo as your wallpaper. Go to Settings, Wallpaper, Add New Wallpaper, choose the live photo and assign it to the lock screen. Tap the lock screen to preview the animation, press firmly or long press to trigger it. If it doesn't animate, make sure Reduce Motion is off and low power or focus modes aren't restricting effects. Reconvert the GIF at higher frame rate if stuttering persists. One quick troubleshooting tip: resave the live photo after.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.